Hello and welcome to Time Ticking. Today I'm going to be talking about how to reset the hands on your chronograph watch back to zero. Now there could be multiple reasons why the hands on your chronograph watch won't be set back to zero. Although chronograph hands typically are a tight fit, it is possible that they have loosened up. Inside, there are heart-shaped cams that reset the hands to zero. It is possible that they or the levers are gummed up, or there are other mechanical problems. There is not one set answer. I would recommend that someone having experience look at it, as they are more complicated than a straight wind watch. The most common reason is the time on the hands are just not set right on the watch, as not all watch factories test their watches before selling them to the consumer. Luckily, when you have this problem with a quartz chronograph, you have a manual reset. And I'll demonstrate how to perform the reset on this Festina Chronobike wristwatch after this intro. So you've noticed that the hands on your chronograph function don't reset back to zero. Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is pull out the crown to the second position. That's 2 clicks. Then press push button A until it gets to the spot that you want. You can either click it or hold it. If the tenths of a second hand isn't reset to zero either, you can press push button B till it gets to the spot that you want. And it's that easy. See you next time. Hello and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like and check out our similar videos right here. If you want to stay up to date with the new and interesting content that we create, you can subscribe to our channel, which is linked right here. And lastly, if you need any help with your watch, make sure to go to our Times Ticking website, which is linked right here. See you next time.